Do you know how your dentist does the laser treatment for your gums? Do you want to find out? Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Dr. Kumar Vadivel. I'm a board certified periodontist, gum specialist, a dentist, and a dental specialist practicing over 30 decades. I'm joined by Dr. Teoh, my colleague here. So, we are both going to explain how the laser gum treatment is done at your dental office. So, one of the things we really mainly want to explain is the most patients have the question, hey, what is the difference between a gum therapy or a gum cleaning or a deep gum cleaning as opposed to a laser deep cleaning? Or what are the added benefits of having the laser passed on into the gums in addition to having the deep gum cleaning whenever you are getting the laser gum treatment in addition to the gum treatment, which we will show in just a moment. So when you are getting the deep cleaning done, so you're going to have just the tartar and the plaque removed from underneath the gum tissue. That's kind of like the normal procedure that is done under local anesthesia, meaning like a numbing around the gum tissue. However, when you are going to get the laser gum treatment done, watch what is happening here. See, you can actually see the laser coming out of the, it is almost like kind of burning the gum tissue, right? Look at that, right? And sometimes I joke with my patient, hey, you're going to smell of some barbecuing. So that is exactly what we are doing. So imagine when you're barbecuing and you're cooking some meat, it is just going to smell and smoke, right? And that's exactly what we are doing. So during the laser gum treatment, we are barbecuing the bacteria or pretty much killing the bacteria, which we call it as a laser bacterial reduction or a laser decontamination. And that is exactly what is happening underneath the gum line. That is going to kill the bacteria under the gum line in addition to getting the deep gum therapy or the deep cleaning. So the next time when you're at your dentist, when your dentist tells you that you need a deep gum therapy or a laser gum therapy, and that is exactly what they're talking about. Are you a good candidate for getting a laser gum therapy? Talk to your dentist, they can help you. And if you happen to be at the Dallas Fort Worth area, come see us at ToothHQ and we can definitely help you with any laser gum therapy needs your gums need. And we look forward to helping you. Until next time, take care.